Moving on to AUDUSD, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had that break of structure in towards the upside, and this is our current swing range that we are trading within. Now, this is a supply zone that is in control. However, it could be that we are still likely to see some further upside. Usually, even with an initial tap, I always like to see that get taken before then seeing a real move in towards the downside, as this is usually just your early sellers coming into the market. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we have this break of structure over here, and this is the current swing range that we are trading within. Now, I want to see all of these highs here get taken at an absolute minimum before seeing a potential move down lower. However, as I was saying, the bias on the DXY is skewed heavily in towards the downside, and therefore it could be that we are ready to start pushing up higher, maybe even target the week swing high, although I won't get confirmation of that until we break this high here, where you can then look for a higher probability long position after that. If we go down onto the 1-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had a 1-hour break of structure in towards the upside, and this is the current swing range. Now, if we liquidate this low here, I'd be happy to look for a potential long position if we get the confirmation to trade it up towards that 4-hour point of liquidity. However, I am aware that there is still more points of liquidity open further down, but I do like the fact that it will also have made a connection to the 50. If we take out this low and we get the confirmation, I'll look for that long position. Moving on to NZDUSD, we can see that we've had a break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we are trading within. Now, this liquidity high is still my target. I don't think we have yet taken it out. 58641. On this data feed we haven't, but obviously with where it is, it wouldn't surprise me if on other data feeds we have, and therefore I am still anticipating a little bit of upside. It wouldn't even surprise me if we come up to take out this liquidity high as well, as they are relatively close to each other. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had that break of structure in towards the downside, and this is our current swing range. As you can see, demand's in control and has been pushing price in towards the upside. I do anticipate at this point that price will break this high here. If we get a clear break and a close above, I'll then be looking for any retracement to then look for another long position.